So good morning to all of you students. Today I am going to explain the numerical computing, and this is the first lecture of numerical computing, and on behalf of the request of some students I am going to make this series, and this is a lecture series of near about 40 to 45 lectures are there in this lecture series. So this is the first lecture. Numerical computing is basically, this is also known as numerical analysis. And when the traditional method fails, then we use numerical computing methods, or we can say it deals with the hard problems or complex mathematical problems. So in this video we will discuss the definition of the numerical computing, and then the aim, what is the aim of numerical computing, then what steps we can follow, or what approach we may use in the numerical computing process, and where it can be applied, means applicable areas of numerical computing we will see. Now let us see. So first of all we can say the limitations of analytical methods in practical applications. If we face some limitations in analytical methods in practical applications, this have led to evolve numerical methods. So whatever the problems we face in the analytical methods, then we use numerical methods. Exact methods fail to find the roots. When exact methods fail to find the roots for transcendental equations, like we are familiar with the transcendental equation that may contain like the equation that may contain the log, like trigonometric functions it may contain. So if exact methods fail to find the roots for the transcendental equation, then we use the numerical computing methods. And this numerical computing or numerical analysis, it plays an important role in solving real life mathematical, physical and engineering problems. So it can be applied in many areas, like it can be applied in mathematical, physical, engineering. Now it can also be applied in biological sciences. So this is very useful. The main goal of this numerical computing is to design and analysis of methods to provide approximate so we have to provide some approximate solutions but accurate solutions. But it should be accurate solution to complex mathematical problems. Complex mathematical problems, or we can say they are the hard problems in numerical form. So this is the ultimate goal of the numerical computing, that design and analysis of methods to provide approximate but accurate solutions to complex mathematical problems or hard problems in numerical form. Then the approach that we normally use in numerical computing, the approach involves formulation of model. Whatever the real time problems or situations we have, it should be formulated, or formulation of model of physical situations that can be solved with arithmetic operation. So ultimately we can say, after making some formulation for the model, we can apply the simple arithmetic operations. And the steps involved, first step is formulation of mathematical model. First we formulate the mathematical model, then we construct an appropriate numerical method, or we can say construction of an appropriate numerical method, then implementation of the method to obtain a solution, means we have to program for that particular problem. After making the appropriate numerical method, we will make a program, we will code for that numerical method, that is the implementation, so that we could find the solution. So after implementation, we will apply this for some data, means we will go for the validation of the solution. Ultimately we will validate the solution. So this is the first part. Now we will see the numerical computing process, means how we can apply the numerical computing process on a real life problem.